Top 7 gadgets you didn't know existed in 2026. Have you ever come across a piece of technology that made you stop and think, there's no way this is real? Like something straight out of a sci-fi movie suddenly becoming part of real life. Because in 2026, that's exactly what's happening. Technology is no longer moving step by step. It's taking massive leaps. Gadgets are becoming smarter, more personal, and in some cases, almost unbelievable. And you might think you already know all the latest tech, smartphones, smartwatches, AI tools. But trust me, what you're about to see goes way beyond that. These are gadgets most people don't even know exist yet. And once you see them, your idea of the future is going to completely change. Before we dive in, because if you love discovering hidden futuristic tech like this, you're definitely going to enjoy what's coming next. Today, we're counting down the top 7 gadgets you didn't know existed in 2026, and each one is more mind-blowing than the last. Number 7. Smart Contact Lens. Let's start with something that feels almost impossible: the smart contact lens. At first glance, it looks exactly like a normal contact lens. Nothing special, nothing unusual. But the moment you wear it, everything changes. This tiny device can project digital information directly into your field of vision. Imagine checking notifications, reading messages, or even watching videos without ever touching your phone. Everything appears right in front of your eyes as if it's part of the real world. Walking down the street, directions can appear in front of you. You no longer need to look down at your phone for navigation. In a meeting, you can see your notes without anyone else noticing. Even gaming becomes more immersive, with digital objects appearing in your environment. What makes this gadget truly special is how natural it feels. There's no screen to hold, no device to carry. It becomes part of your vision. After a while, you might even forget you're using technology at all. But this also raises important questions. If information is always in front of your eyes, do you ever get a break? And who controls what you see? Because once technology enters your vision, it's no longer outside your body. It becomes part of your experience. Number 6. AI Wearable Assistant Pin. Now let's move to something small in size but huge in impact: the AI Wearable Assistant Pin. This device clips onto your shirt, and it completely changes how you interact with technology. Unlike your phone, this gadget doesn't require you to look at a screen. You simply talk to it just like you would talk to a person. Ask it anything, send messages, set reminders, get directions, or even ask questions, and it responds instantly. But what makes it truly powerful is its ability to understand context. It doesn't just respond to commands, it learns from you. Over time, it understands your habits, your routine, and your preferences. Imagine walking into a meeting and it quietly reminds you of important points. Or traveling to another country, and it translates conversations in real time. It becomes your personal assistant, always there, always ready. This gadget represents a shift in how we use technology. Instead of constantly looking at screens, technology starts blending into our environment. It becomes more natural, more human-like. But again, there's a deeper side to this. If a device is always listening and learning from you, how much does it really know? And where does that data go? If you're enjoying this so far, a quick like really helps the channel. And feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. Number 5. Smart Health Mirror. Now let's bring the future into your home with the Smart Health Mirror. At first, it looks like any normal mirror, but the moment you stand in front of it, it comes to life. Using advanced sensors and AI, it scans your body in real time. It can measure your heart rate, analyze your skin, track your posture, and even detect signs of stress or fatigue. Imagine waking up in the morning, looking in the mirror, and instantly getting a health report. It tells you how well you slept, whether you're hydrated, and even if your body is showing early signs of illness. This kind of technology is changing healthcare. Instead of waiting for problems to appear, it helps you detect them early. It turns your daily routine into a health checkup without any effort. It's like having a doctor at home, but without appointments or waiting rooms. If you're enjoying this so far, a quick like really helps the channel. And feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. Number 4. Portable Holographic Projector. Now here's where things start to feel unreal: the portable holographic projector. This small device can project 3D images into the air, creating holograms that you can actually interact with. Imagine making a video call, and instead of seeing someone on a screen, they appear right in front of you as a hologram. You can walk around them, see them from different angles, and feel like they're actually there. Watching movies becomes a completely new experience. Scenes play out in your room, not on a screen. Gaming becomes more immersive, with characters appearing in real space. This gadget is not just about visuals, it's about interaction. It turns digital content into something physical, something you can experience in a whole new way. It changes how we connect, how we learn, and how we entertain ourselves. Number 3, self-cleaning smart water bottle. Now let's talk about something simple, but incredibly useful. The self-cleaning smart water bottle? It may not sound as exciting as holograms or AI assistants, but this gadget solves a real problem. It uses UVC light to kill bacteria and keep your water clean at all times. But that's not all. It also tracks how much water you drink and reminds you to stay hydrated throughout the day. In a world where people are constantly busy, even basic things like drinking enough water can be forgotten. This gadget makes sure you stay on track without even thinking about it. Sometimes, the most impactful technology is the one that improves your daily life in small but meaningful ways. Number 2, dream recording device. Now we're entering truly mind-blowing territory, the dream recording device. In 2026, researchers are working on technology that can analyze brain activity during sleep and recreate dream patterns. In simple terms, it aims to record your dreams. Imagine waking up and actually watching your dream like a video. Not just remembering bits and pieces, but seeing the full experience. This could change everything we know about the human mind. It could help scientists understand how dreams work, how memories are processed, and even how creativity develops. But it also raises serious questions. Dreams are one of the most private parts of our lives. If they can be recorded, who controls that data? And how far should this technology go? It's fascinating, but also a little unsettling. Number 1, AI Translator Earbuds. And finally, the number 1 gadget, the AI Translator Earbuds. These earbuds can translate languages in real time. You speak in your language, and the other person hears it instantly in theirs. There's no need for apps, no delays, no awkward pauses. Just smooth, natural conversation. This technology has the power to break down language barriers completely. Traveling becomes easier, business becomes more global, and communication becomes effortless. Imagine talking to anyone in the world without worrying about language differences. It feels like something out of science fiction, but it's becoming real. When you look at all these gadgets together, one thing becomes clear. Technology is no longer just something we use. It's something that becomes part of our lives. It blends into our routines, understands our behavior, and adapts to our needs. But at the same time, it makes you think. How far is too far? When devices start entering our vision, our thoughts, and our personal space, where do we draw the line? There's no doubt that these gadgets can improve our lives in incredible ways. They can make us healthier, more connected, and more efficient. But they also remind us to stay aware of how much control we're giving to technology. Because in 2026, the future is not something we're waiting for anymore. It's already here, and it's more powerful than ever. So the next time you think technology has reached its limit, just remember, there's always something more advanced waiting around the corner. If you made it this far, you'll probably enjoy the rest of the content on this channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this useful. And let me know in the comments, which gadget amazed you the most? I'll see you in the next one.